Hello guys, in this video we will see the solution of computer network and internet protocol week 2 assignment 2. Last date for this assignment is 4th Feb, and I will also share the link of resources from where I have compiled those answers, so you can go and check there. So let's start the video. The first question is host.xyz.com dot a fully qualified domain name. So a fully qualified domain name is a domain name that ends with a dot. So the correct answer for this question is A, true. Second question, what makes FTP more secure than TFTP? Uh, let's see the explanation to this answer. Option for this question is A, TFTP lack features like user authentication and secure data transfer mechanism. So correct answer for question 2 is A. Third question, in the HTTP architecture, which of the following best describe a uniform resource locator URL? Let's see the explanation. A URL uniquely identify resource on the web, satisfy the protocol like HTTP and HTTPS, host name like example.com, port if applicable, and the path to the resource. So the correct option for this question is C. That is a unique identifier for resources including the protocol, hostname, and the path. So option C is correct for third question. Now move to the fourth question. Which of the following is the correct syntax for anchor tag in HTML? So let's see, the answer of this question is B, like A and A in the A tag, anchor tag. An example is like this, anchor tag. The correct option here is C, this. Fifth question, which of the following is correct for statement PQR? So let's see the explanation for this question. The fifth question. So the first statement P is true because HTTP use TCP port 80 for communication. So the first statement P is true. Second statement Q is false because Telnet transmit data in a plain text, making it unencrypted and insecure. And here they are saying Telnet transmit data in a encrypted format. So this statement is false. And the third statement R is true because DNS typically run on a UDP for a query but switches to TCP for Zoom transfer or large response. So the correct option for this question is B, because both P and R is true and Q is false. So correct option for question 5 is B. Sixth question, what is the correct syntax to be written in the command line to initiate a telnet connection to the web server of www.iitkgp.ac.in? So correct answer for this question is D, like the command start with telnet followed by hostname or IP address. The correct option for sixth question is D, telnet and then hostname and IP address. Now move to the seventh question. Which of the following protocol allow non-ASCII data to be sent over email? So options are IMAP4, Telnet, IMME, POP3. So let's see the answer. So answer is C, IMME. IMME transmit data in a format that SMTP can transmit, such as base64 encoding for binary files, allowing non-ASCII data to be sent over email. So the correct option for the seventh question is C, MIME. Now move to the seventh question. Which of the following is true about the mail transfer protocol? So let's see the explanation of this question. So the statement 1 can send image file with the help of IMAP4. This statement is incorrect because SMTP cannot send the image file directly. It requires MIME, not IMAP4 for sending non-ASCII data like images. Okay, so statement 1 is false. Now statement 2 can send image file with the help of POP3. So this is also incorrect because POP3 is used for retrieving the mail, not for sending them. SMTP send email, but image file are sent by a MIME. And third statement, IMAP4 is more secure than POP3. This statement is correct IMF4 is generally more secure than POP3 because it supports features like encryption, encrypted communication, and better mailbox management. The correct option is D. The third statement S3 is only correct. Now move to the ninth question. Which of the following is or are not an application layer protocol? So let's see the answer. Which of the following is not an application layer protocol? So HTTP, SFTP, SNMP all are transport layer protocol except UDP. So the correct answer for ninth question is C. UDP is a transport layer protocol. Now move to the final question. What is the command used by DNS to translate a fully qualified domain name into its corresponding IP address? So the answer for this question is NSLOOKUP. Given a fully qualified domain name, NSLOOKUP provides its corresponding IP address. So the correct answer is D. NSLOOKUP. Thank you for watching the video.